Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with NMC. I'm dietitian Samantha DeToy. Today, we're diving into a recipe perfect for those warm sunny days or when you're craving something light, crispy, and refreshing. Get ready for a crispy egg noodle salad. This wholesome dish is packed with nutrients and flavor using healthy and simple ingredients. The egg noodles in this recipe contains B vitamins, specifically folate, which supports metabolism as well as energy production. The purple cabbage is rich in dietary fiber. The white cabbage is a good source of vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting as well as bone health. And then lastly, the carrots are a great source of potassium, which helps with heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Let's get cooking.